Hi guys, it's 12 o'clock on the moon already. Ryan is still sleeping. So we want to try to wake up Ryan. Ryan, it's 12 o'clock. You have to fix your room.
Okay.
Wake up.
Okay.
This is Ryan's room
Room.
where he has all his toys.
And this is my desk where I do my homework. And look, this is I sleep. And look, it's a little hide out here. You can play hide and seek.
Yeah. What you have under the bed?
Under the bed is my toys are big and huge.
How you get under the bed?
So I pulled that, pulled this, and then I can hide when one of my friends came to hide for hide and seek when we want to play.
Okay.
And look, this is my draw when I was in school when I was 2020.
Yes. 2020 class?
Yeah, 2020 class.
Good.
And this is my garbage to put some garbage. And look, this is my mom's desk. And look, this is I put all my frames. But in the other video, my dad is gonna carry this, and I will hold the camera for put in my room on the other video, right?
Okay.
And look, and look, this is my shoebox with toys. And look, and the treasure chests are some stuff. Watch. See, one of my Legos, and the green key. My dad doesn't use them anymore. It's from his old truck, the blue truck, right, Daddy?
Yes.
But but he doesn't need it anymore from the old way. But he works at FedEx, right?
Yes.
And this is his toy. He let me play with them, right?
Yes.
And look, this is the picture frame that I was little.
Yes.
And look, this is I put my balls and some pillows. I don't use them anymore, right?
This is your first picture.
Yeah, my first picture I ever had it before, and this is my stuffies I have, and Minion, well, and right that Ryan pillow I was sleeping on like this. Funny. And guys, look, and this is my frame of toys, and I have 2 lunchboxes. Now we're gonna show my dad's room, right? We'll show my dad's room. And oh, we forgot. So this is my mom's clothes. And this is my jeans and my pants. Right?
Yes.
And look. And this is my pajamas. This is my shorts. And this is my sweaters and party clothes. And this is
Jeans.
Yeah, some sweaters. Some other sweaters and towels, right?
Okay.
Oh. And this guy from this bear found. And look, I have a Nerf gun, but I lost all the ammos, right? And look, this is Thanos. My dad, it come with Iron Man, but I actually lost him. And look, he can speak. You had to press this button. Look.
Can't stop me from collecting the Infinity Stone.
Fun. And like the gauntlet goes. Go. Now we're gonna show and this is my books. You know the name is 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, and blue fish. Right?
No, the name is by Dr. Seuss.
Yeah, Dr. Seuss. And this is about Daddy working. His paper he drew for me. And oh, I've almost forgot. This is about it was shirt day, right? And there's some picture spray on the wall. It says my name. And look, a basketball. Hi, guys. Okay, now I'm going to show my dad's room. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
His bed is messy.
I think it's better to do another day. Come on. So that way we cut now to not make too long video, okay?
Yeah, bye.